So we just threw this together, Eris and I. And at first it was like, I don't know, are we going Christine or Cheech and Chong? But it attracted quite a few kids over here at Mom's place for trick or treat. We've got some 8 maxis in there, just on a very slow fade and a fog fury phase. And we found all the leaks coming out of the car because we knew a lot of them were there. But yeah, so this was a kind of a quick Halloween decoration this year. Neighbor Tim stopped by. Yeah, looks cool at night.
All you've been doing is all day. I've seen her before, but I was trying to get somewhere before. Yeah. Oh,
It's a 36 Plymouth. We brought the lights down inside, a little creepier looking that way. I just kind of a last minute Halloween driveway decoration. Does look like fire now, doesn't it?